Hello guys and welcome to Robot Squad. So today we'll be creating an age calculator using Python. So it's really simple. First we are just going to import datetime. Then we are going to create a datetime object. So birthday is equal to datetime dot datetime, and for this time we are just going to create a int input. So the first thing is year of birth. Then we are going to ask the user to int input month of birth. Then we are just going to ask the user to input day of birth. And next we are going to get today's date, that is going to be current is equal to datetime dot today. And now we are just going to calculate, so that is going to be, so we are going to print out the value. So you are now, over here we are just going to round to round off, since it's going to give us a input of about 5 decimals. So we are just going to round it off to only one decimal. So b day, wait, current minus b day, and then dot days. Next we're going to take this whole thing and divide it by 365.25, uh, since there are 366 days every 4 years occurring, so the average is going to be 365.25, and that should be it. Let's just round, so the to round off to one decimal, and then divide it. Now we are going to type in years old. Let's test out the app. Run Python 5. So I'm born on 2007, 09, and 10. You are now 14.5 years old. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.